What I love most about West Orange is that it is layered in the best way possible. And I don't just mean culturally. From parks and recreation to local events, restaurants, and community groups, there's a rhythm here that lets you plug in exactly how you wish to live. It's the kind of place where setting down your roots actually feels exciting. So today, we lead you through an incredible home located at 4 Korwel Ct for your own virtual tour. And I promise you'll watch this one until the end. Come take a look.